Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford vehicle. It could be a C-MAX Fusion as well guys. And if you have a message to service the tire mobility kit guys, stay with us. We'll explain how to reset it and what you need to do. Not just reset it, you need to confirm something before you reset it. So all that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you guys, every single car we get at the garage, as you know, we take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything, and we make more than 300 videos on each car guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts and supplies from. So we'll disconnect the plug-in charge because we have the plug-in hybrid right here. So what we're going to do next, okay, right here, we're going to go inside the vehicle guys, okay, and if we go inside and I actually go ahead, okay, and start the car, okay, now we have two warnings because of the door, okay, check it out now. We're going to get guys service tire mobility kit. So how you guys reset that thing? Okay, now here it will take a little bit, okay, a little bit of digging guys. You need to go to settings. From there, okay, you need to go, okay, let me show you vehicle, remote start tire mobility kit right here, which is the third one on the bottom. Select that one with OK, and now you need to check the can with the sealant on the tire mobility kit and see when it expires. You find the day that it expires and you're going to put 1 year, okay, or 2 years, okay, like that. And you can see now what you need to do, go back, okay, and if I go to, okay, let me now go to information. In the warnings, system check, I have 0, everything's okay. And if I go ahead, okay, and turn the car off, turn it back on, start it, okay, the only warning that I will get is I'm ready to drive. So that's how you guys reset it, pretty simple. Hopefully the video will be helpful guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.